I was having so much fun back then. I'd even go to the library, Torui's house, and have an adult read screenplays to me. Everything changed after that one mistake.
Would you like to fly to the sky with me?
Huh? Oh, I guess. I pressed on the play button again. I'd better stop it.
Don't be afraid. Believe in yourself.
Huh. My acting and my singing were so bad. But why does it feel so uplifting? It looks like I was having so much fun too. I looked so happy and was singing my heart out. I can't seem to look away. Wait, is that having fun while performing? Just singing my heart out is the difference? I wasn't afraid of making mistakes back then. I just enjoyed getting in character and losing myself while singing. But it's not like that anymore. That one failure is always on my mind. And now I'm worried about beating her. I can't just blindly enjoy acting. No matter how well I sing, it's not coming from my heart. It can't be that much fun to listen to. The answer is simple. I have to enjoy what I'm doing. The best thing for the show is for me to have as much fun as possible.
I'm gonna cast a special spell on you. Na 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 na.
Thank you.